what's up? It's your girl Nova Star, and I'm here with my eyebrow tutorial. I'm always getting questions on how I do my brows, so I decided to make a video. And as you can see, I have on no makeup, so let's get right into it. Alright, now that we're up close and personal, I'm going to be picking up my Morphe double-sided brush. It's an angle brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. I got this in a makeup kit, and I will put the link in the description box if you guys wanted to check that out. I'm going to be taking the spoolie and I'm going to be brushing my brows in their natural pattern. So I'm going to brush up in the front, and then I'm just going to brush them to the side and then back up again. And I do this for about a minute because my brows are so wild, I have to tame them. And yeah, so let's get to brushing. So I'm going to be picking up the Wet n Wild Mega Lash eyeliner pencil, and I got this pencil from Walmart for about $1 and some change, and I love using the eyeliners for my eyebrows because it's way more creamier in my opinion than a regular eyebrow pencil. So yeah, let's go right in. So I'm going to be starting off at the darkest part of my brows. I'm not going to start at the beginning, but I'm going to start at the darkest part of my brows, and I'm just going to follow my natural pattern all the way to the tail. And I'm also lightly stroking. I don't want any harsh lines that I have to blend out later, so I'm just going to keep a light hand while I apply this to my brows. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing to the bottom part of my brow. I'm going to start where it's thickest, and I'm just going to go all the way to the tail using a light hand. And now I'm just going to start lightly filling in my entire brows from the thickest part all the way to the tail. And I'm using a very light hand. I don't want my brows to be too dark because this is in the color black. So you're just going to fill in any bald spots or anything like that that you have. And as you see, I have no product at the beginning of my brows. And right now I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to start blending in my brows. I'm not going to go to the beginning because I don't want any product there yet. So I'm just going to blend out my entire brow from where we started, from the thickest to the end, if that makes any sense. And the more you blend out your brows, the better outcome you'll get. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the same eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to go over the outer part of my brow one more time because I kind of blended it out a little too much. So I'm just going to go back in and make that a little bit darker. And then I'm just going to blend it back out again, just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to be picking up the NYX Lip Liner in the color Dark Brown. I'm going to start from where we stopped with the black liner, and I'm just going to blend it in a little bit, and then I'm going to bring it to the outer part of my brow. using very light strokes, very light strokes, because we don't want this to be harsh at all. We want it to look as natural as possible. And as you can see, I'm making upward strokes just to mimic hair strokes. And it's okay if it gets smudgy because we're going to clean all that up later. So you can make this as messy as you want to because we will be cleaning it up. And as you can tell, you can see the black to the brown, and we don't want that. So we're going to pick up our spoolie, and we're just going to go ahead and start flickering upwards in our brow because we're trying to get a faded look here. So you just want to take your time and lightly flicker up. And like I said, it's going to be really smudgy, but that's okay because we're going to clean that up. And right now I'm just cleaning off my spoolie, and then I'm going to go right here at the beginning of my brow, and I'm just going to go straight up right at the very beginning because we want that to fade out. Okay, now I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to clean it up. And it might look like I'm being rough, but I'm just being really firm on my brows, and I'm just going to wipe off all the smudging. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with the spoolie, and then I'm going to flicker up some more. This part takes forever because I like my brows to be perfect. And this will cause some more smudging, but we'll just clean it up like we did before. Taking our pinky, and we're just going to wipe off all the smudging around the beginning of our brow. And upwards as well. And voila. Now I'm going to go in where the brown and black meets, and I'm just going to lightly feather them into each other. I want them to mix together so we have a flawless beginning and end. And I just repeat all the steps over and over until I get my brows the way that I want them. Alright, now I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fun, and I'm going to be applying that to the back of my hand. And then I'm going to go in with that same angle brush that we used earlier, and I'm just going to dip that into the product. And then I'm going to dab a lot of it off. And then I'm going to dip it back into the product and dab. And right now I'm just going to pull up my brow just a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm not going to start right at the beginning of my brow. I'm going to actually wipe some off in my eyelid. And then we're going to work our way up slowly. And then we're going to make the outline of our brow. And this part, you just want to take your time, be patient, get it as close as possible as you can to your brow, and just lightly stroke all the way to the tail. And I always go past the tail of my brow just to give it a very sharp tail because that's the way that I like mine. And right now I'm just going to go back to the beginning of my brow, and I'm going to start pulling the concealer down with the brush. And once we get to the end, we're going to start feathering it out just a little bit. Like so. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend all that concealer into my eyelids and blend it out into my eyebrow bone. And I always like to use my pinky because it's little and I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to get right, and I'm just going to get as close as I can to my brows with the concealer without messing them up. And I'm just going to wipe, blend, blend, blend. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to take that same angle brush, dip it back into our concealer, and then we're going to start at the top part of our brows. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take a little product off before I move to my brow. Then I'm just going to gently stroke all the way down to the tail, following our natural eyebrow pattern. Now I'm just going to start blending that concealer up into my forehead and also down the tip of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to take my finger and do the exact same thing that I did to the bottom to the top. And just be careful not to smudge your eyebrow. We're going to get as close as possible as we can without smudging. As you can see, I'm barely tapping my brow, taking my time and just moving right along all the way to the tail. And as you can see, I'm having a good eyebrow day, girl. I'm feeling myself. Now I'm going to pick up this very small beauty blender. I got this beauty blender from Shein. It came in a 3-pack. And I just love the tip of it because it gets my eyebrows blended so well because it's so small. And I'm just going to be dabbing that right on the top of my brows just to get it to blend out a little more. I'm going to blend the rest up into my forehead. And I'm also going to bring it down to my eyelid and blend that out as well. Now I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going back in the beginning of my brow and we're just going to flicker it up a little more until we get the faded look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure all my hairs are in place and everything is blended by blending it one more time. So my eyebrow was doing something weird that I didn't like, so I'm just going to go in and fix that arch. I didn't really like how it came out, so I'm just going to put a little more concealer on my arch and blend it in. And voila, perfect. much better. And I'm going to take my pinky and I'm just going to blend where we added out a little more. And I'm going to take that beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it out right in that spot that we added a little more concealer to. Make sure it all blends together. And voila, that is my brow, guys. That's how I achieve it. I'm going to go ahead off camera and do the rest of my face and my other brow. And stay tuned for the finished look. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know any more details about my look, just ask in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you guys for watching. See you later.